सर यहाँ पे
Yes, that's right. Okay, Mr. Let's go. One, two.
Amrita one. Amrita. On your right. अरे अंदर तो जाने दे.
Thank you. Thank you.
Come in. I see now.
Hi, how are you? Ages.
I know, I haven't seen you in a while. It's very sweet.
Cute. Now we're so happy to build this experience to India, and God bless. That's it.
Thank you.
And I'd like to want the U.S. Consul General Michael Owen to just say a word or two. Thank you.
Thank you. It's great to be here. Millions of not just children but adults very, very happy, brought lots of pleasure and joy to their lives, and I'm sure the same thing's going to happen here in India. So I congratulate them on opening their first Build-A-Bear store in India, and I'm sure there'll be many more to come. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, different parts. Yeah. We start with the choose me ball, where you can choose from. If you can move, then she can choose her bears. Yeah. So you can choose from bears to lambs to monkeys to dogs. Yeah. And if you guys move, then she can pick up her. Yeah. That's a good one. There are more choices in the back there. No. Okay. If you want that, you start with this. You start with the unstuffed bear. Pause, and we'll go. What about you? Monkey. Great. From into your animal.